Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are organizing my jewelry collection. If you are new here, my name is Hallberg and I'm a makeup artist and owner of the vegan makeup brand LH Cosmetics that you can follow here. Let's dive into this video because I'm very excited about it. I have jewelry, I've never really been going through all my jewelry all together, so I'm kind of excited to do that, to see what I can throw away or that I can give away or sell. First of all, I really felt like I needed somewhere to put all the makeup, because right now it's just right on the floor in front of me. So I have this little thingy here full of old makeup that I don't use anymore. So actually these all have to go because they are so old. And I don't know about you, but I am always on the floor while I'm doing these kind of things. I never have a table, or I mean, I obviously have a table back here, but I never use it. I'm just on the floor. Maybe I have this kind of puff or whatever to, yeah, you know, but I like to be on the floor. I'm just gonna give this a little bit of cleaning first before I start organizing. And then I realized that I cannot just, you know, put all my jewelry in here because it would just, you know, don't want this to happen. So I knew that somewhere I had some kind of fabric, like I had this velvet fabric that I never used. I don't know why I got it. I got it for maybe using it as a background or something, but I have never used it. So let's cut this into squares and put them inside. My boxes are all done. They are not very pretty, but you know what? I don't really care because I just want something that looks okay. I should probably do this more properly, but you know what? I don't have time for that. Let's organize all my rings first. Most of my rings and most of the jewelry in my collection are actually old. They are from my mom or just very old from when I was little. And I love collecting jewelry. It's just something that I really enjoy and like to do. So let's start with silver. Here's actually 2 gold rings as well, and brass. But so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this specific one. I don't know if I will ever use it actually. I don't think I ever have. These 2 are definitely 2 of my favorite rings. This one is one of the rings that I use pretty much every day. My mom made it for me when I was I think 15. And also this one. I have very few plain rings. I really feel like sometimes I want to have plain rings to stack with the more fun ones. This one is the Lord of the Rings ring, so it has this elvish description inside. I actually have some kind of original certificate for this. This was really expensive at the time. I was a fan. A lot of the time I get my jewelry from festivals, markets and flea markets and stuff. And I think that's all my ring. Let's put that aside. Let's go to earrings. And I mean, look at these. They are so pretty. I think I got them in Hawaii or something like that, and then I lost them pretty soon after I got home. I found them a year or 2 years after in a pocket or in a shoe or something. And these here are gifts from a friend. These are cool. I think I got this when I graduated some kind of grade. And this one is really special because I saw this in a store and I felt really like connected to it. I don't know what it is, but I saved all my money to get it. It was like $30. I love this. It's such a beautiful piece. And it needs a little wash because it's all black now. This one I got in LA. It's cute. After I got it, I decided to wear all gold. But now I feel like I want to go back to silver again. I only have one of these left and I have so much more jewelry. But let's do the gold necklaces. These are like all things that I got when I was little. I have many dolphins for some reason. And these hearts are also from when I was little. There's my name. And I think these are, you get them when you are baptized or something. I have filled all the boxes, but there's a problem. I have more stuff that I will need to figure out what we're gonna do with. But first of all, let's see how satisfying this will be. I am scared that these won't fit. Come on. Yes. Can we like push them down a little bit? Where's that? Ah, here we go. Oh no. Okay. So I basically have to rearrange all this again later. So satisfying to have everything in one place. Ah, how nice is this? Look. Oh no. I need to put this on the other side. Perfect. This chunk here will not fit in there. So I'm actually just gonna put them on here again. Like this big piece. I'm just gonna put them on here. This is one of my absolute favorite ones. It's gonna be a ring. Oh, here it is. This is from Tommy Vowels, I think. That's the right way to pronounce it. It's such a gorgeous brass necklace. Ooh, this one! I totally forgot it. You know, when you find things that you always wear, But then when they get lost, you forget that you have them. This is my a Taurus sign thing with the star sign on the other side. This is a beautiful piece. I'm gonna wear it now. This one is cool. I never use it though. It kind of strangles me and I don't like that. This is not a necklace at all. I really hate organizing. I am not a very organized person, but I really like to watch other people organize stuff. It's very calming. Have you noticed that I barely have no bracelets? I never really wear them. This one I got when I was little, and I have this one that I got when I was even smaller with teddy bears and some crystals on. You remember when toe rings were a thing? I think I got this probably in Italy or something. We were in Italy a lot when I was a kid, and everybody had toe rings, I remember. And this was my toe ring. I was so proud of it. It's also all black. Everything silver turns black on me in like a minute. I think also that's one of the reasons that I stopped wearing silver for a while, because it was so annoying to keep cleaning it all the time. But I will start wearing silver again because it's pretty. I like silver. Then I found this. This was like a thing that I bought at H&M or something many years ago. I don't like the particular necklace, but I have like half a weight on it. But I think that I can probably make something cool out of these flowers, like put them, I don't know, in a makeup or something. So I am going to keep it. This is the result of my organizing today. I am very happy with how it turned out. And I'm so happy that I finally did it, because I really needed to clean stuff out. I'll probably see you already on Sunday with another video where I have a collaboration with the Swedish beauty guru Margareta Gräs. You don't want to miss that, so I'll see you then. Bye!